Hi and welcome to Python MyPy. We're going to create our first program. To do this, we're simply going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to type in a hash symbol. This is not really code, but notes for us. As you can see, this is a comment. This is something that will be ignored by the IDE. If you remember in the previous video, when we ran a nonsense sentence through the compiler, it came up with an error. So when we do this and save it, so we're just going to go to season 1 and new folder, hello world, and we're just going to type in hello world.py. And when it runs, as you can see, there's no error messages, the assistant hasn't come up, everything's fine because it's just ignored the sentence. So what we can do is also make this program a little bit more interesting by going print, open parentheses, and a single quote, and then type in hello world, and then close quote and close parentheses. Then we're going to save this. And once the file's been created already and saved once, it won't ask you for details again. And now when we run it, we now have hello world appearing there. And we could change this to any sentence you like, so we could also have hello universe if you wish. We could save that. Remember, Control and S is a quick way of saving your programs. Then click on run current script, and then it says hello universe. Remember, if you want to clear the shell, you can always click on it and then press Ctrl and L on the keyboard to do so. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Python MyPy, and in the next episode we'll be discussing memory management and how to store information in the computer's memory. Hi, if you'd like to see more content from us, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.